Okay, what we're going to do is make off a single wire armor or steel wire armor gland today. So using a Hawke 453 gland, we are going to split the gland down, get the reversible armor clamp ring out. As this is steel wire armor, we need to make sure that there is a thin end and a thick end. The thin end must go towards the steel wire. Then, taking a knife, ensuring you have enough depth of cable, slice round, cutting away from yourself all the way round. If you're not used to using steel wire armor, it's best to do it this way. If you're used to using steel wire armor, you can just get straight in there with a hacksaw. What you do is cut round and then approximately 20 millimeters or 3/4 of an inch, make another cut. Between the two, and take that out. This allows you to actually see where you're cutting. With a hacksaw then, resting up against the edge, cut and turn at the same time. What you're aiming to do is cut approximately 1/2 to 3/4 of the way through the steel wire armor, no more. You do not want to go into the cable, but you've got to cut enough to make sure that when you break off the individual strands of wire, you do not get what they call fish hooks, which then catch in the threads of the gland. Keep sawing and twisting. Keep checking as you're doing it. We've got a nice groove all the way around. Take off the rest of the insulation. And then very gently work the armor backwards and forwards until it snaps off. If it doesn't snap off, hacksaw, do it again till it breaks. 2 or 3 strands at a time. Should be a clean all the way round.